Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this delicious, super yummy and beautiful looking sandwiches. So let's get started. For this we need fresh coriander, coconut, garlic, jeera, green chillies and ginger. We need to make a fine paste out of this. This will be the first layer, that is a green coconut chutney. Add salt, sugar, and chaat masala is going to give extra taste to it, and lemon juice. I'll be grinding this with some water and get back once it's done. Our green coconut chutney is ready. You can use this recipe for other sandwiches also. Let's make the yellow layer. For that you'll need salted butter and 2 boiled eggs. I will be grating the eggs into the same bowl. Our eggs are grated. Now we'll be adding the next thing. I'll be using mustard sauce. It'll give a nice tangy taste to it. And mix it well. The list of all the ingredients is given in the description box below. I'll be adding a few drops of yellow food color. Mix it well, and our second layer too is ready. For the third layer, you'll require salted butter and cheese cubes. Let's grate the cheese cubes now. I won't be adding salt here, as the butter and cheese both have got salt. You can use any cheese of your choice. Now once this is done, we'll mix it well. Now I'll be adding pink food color. So with this, a third layer too will be ready. Mix really well. Our pink layer too is now ready. It's time to assemble the sandwich with these beautiful colors. Take 4 large slices of bread for single sandwich. First we can apply the green chutney on one slice. You can go about by adding any color you want first. Spread it evenly. The next layer, be adding the egg filling. Spread this too evenly. Once this is done, we'll be taking the pink color, pink filling, cheese filling, and spread that too on the next slice of bread. Place the yellow slice on the green chutney, then the pink over the yellow, and the fourth slice, plain one, just on top of the pink, and press gently. Let's prepare one more. can use any layer first. It's not you need to add first green, yellow or pink. Whichever you like, you can add. These sandwiches make great party ideas. You can also add them to your child's tiffin. They would love to take them to school. You can also substitute the white bread for brown bread to make it more healthier. Once this is done, we'll need to cling wrap them in plastic sheet and keep them in the fridge for a few hours. If you don't have cling wrap, you can put them in silver foil or simply put them into a plastic bag and keep them in the fridge for at least 2 hours. We need the bread and the layers to get firm so you can get good slices out of it. So I'll pop them in the fridge and get back to you after 2 hours, and then we'll cut into nice layers. After 2 hours, the bread is nice and firm. It's easy to cut with a bread knife to get nice clean sides. This will make the sandwich look even more prettier. The beauty of the sandwich is in the clean, perfect layers. I'll be cutting it in 3 ways. This is the first way, where I'll divide the sandwich into 3 slices. Keeping the sandwich in the fridge for a few hours make it easier to cut, and it looks good too. Let's cut the next one too. Cutting the sides off. Add 4 toothpicks. It's not necessary, as the bread is quite firm. You'll get the nice cubes out of it. Adding toothpicks is just optional. It just makes it look a little more prettier. You can avoid that. Let's cut the last one. This is one of my favorites. Triangular shape. They look so pretty. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and going to add these lovely sandwiches to your next party. Your kids will be happy to take them to school too. And if you like this video, do subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you. Bye till the next video.